Everybody do your share, put the toys away and make the room so neat. Clean up, now our job's complete. La 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 la, let's all clean up today. La 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 la, it's the clean up way. La 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 la, let's all lend a hand. La 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 la, make our room look grand. Pick the rocks up, put them in the bin. Stack the books up, let's all begin. Clean up, it's so much fun. When we work together, we get it done. La 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 la, let's all clean up today. La 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 la, it's the clean up way. La 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 la, let's all lend a hand. La 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 la, make our room look grand. Dust the shelves and wipe the table clean. Tidy up the floor, make it sparkle and gleam. Clean up, we did it with cheer. Working together to make things gleam. La 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 la, let's all clean up today. La 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 la, it's the clean up way. La 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 la, let's all lend a hand. La 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 la, make our room look grand. Now the room is tidy and we're feeling proud. We cleaned it all up, then we sang out loud. Clean up, we did it with cheer. Let's give ourselves a great big cheer. La 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 la, we cleaned up today. La 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 la, it's the clean up way. La 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 la, we all lent a hand. La 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 la, our room looks grand. Clean up, we're a super crew. Cleaning is easy when we work as two. Clean up, now it's time to play. Hooray, hooray, we cleaned up today.